In this video, I will show you using the shortcut key to change icon size in any window. So press Ctrl Shift and number 1 key on your keyboard. Press Ctrl Shift number 2, number 3, number 4 and number 1 to increase or decrease the size of icons like this. 1 is a big size, number 2 is medium, number 3 small and number 4 is smaller. Thanks for watching.